right, M11-2 says face-to-face corporation reports 100 outstanding shares, 500 authorized shares, and 50 shares of treasury stock. How many shares are issued? Okay, the question becomes, how do we get back to the number of issued shares, right? Because authorized shares, those are the number of shares that are in the corporate charter that say this is how many shares can be issued, right? And issued means how many the company actually, when they did their IPO or when they did a seasoned offering, right? How much did they actually issue out, right? Outstanding shares represents the number of shares that are still held outstanding outside of the corporation, and treasury shares represent the number of shares that are held by the corporation, the actual corporation itself. And remember that the separate entity principle separates the corporation from the owners, right? So with all that in mind, issues, the number of that are actually issued minus the treasury stock gives you the outstanding shares. In this problem, we are given that the number of outstanding shares are 100 and the number of treasury shares are 50. So the question is, what minus 50 equals 100? Well, the number of shares issued are the 150 then. 150 are the actual number of shares that were originally issued. Since that time, there's been 50 that have been bought back by the corporation, leaving 100 shares still outstanding or outside the corporation, okay? Why are we doing this problem? Why is it that we're doing this practice? This practice allows us to calculate what our journal entries are going to be later on down the road, right? Because in order to get the actual journal entry correct, we're going to have to take the number of shares that we have issued or the number of shares that we have outstanding or something of that nature in order to get the journal entries that we want, okay? So that's where we're practicing this problem. This will lay the foundation for the journal entry work that we'll do in coming problems. Please let me know if you have any questions.